Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Lyft has made a major app update for Lyft drivers, and if you're a Lyft driver, you definitely want to watch this video to the very end because this is going to change the way how your daily interaction with passengers and daily, interaction with the app goes forward. So this is a huge change and we're gonna get into it. So again, I stress, watch to the end, thumbs up the video. Let's get started. So firstly, I wanted to thank our sponsor Solo, by the way. Solo is an awesome app which they are actually providing guaranteed pay for drivers. I have a link in the description below, but as you can see here, if you go out and work from 10 to 11 a.m. for Lyft, this is an example, and you only make $28, they're gonna pay you the difference to cover that guaranteed amount. Solo is an awesome app. They have a free version that's nationwide. They also have these other versions as well. That includes automated mileage tracking, federal tax projection. So check out the link below for Solo. They're gonna give you $15 just for signing up and typing in your Venmo or PayPal, and you'll get that money. So check out this. Comes from our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. We have one of the biggest Facebook groups for drivers, 18,000 members, and as Adi Garcilaso says, Los Angeles shared rides are back. Throughout 2022, you can decline shared requests without penalty. So I wanted to make this video so we are all aware. Drivers, you can decline shared requests without penalty. You can also cancel if more than one rider shows up at a pickup. So Uber and Lyft are basically adopting the same strategy where they're bringing back Uber Pool, Lyft shared rides, Uber shared rides. You can now take multiple quote-unquote parties. However, each of those parties can only contain one person each. So the most you're gonna be taking is 2 people during these rides. And like I said, if more than one rider shows up at the pickup, you can cancel that ride. So I wanna hear from you guys. What do you think about this update? In my opinion, I don't think it's actually, bad because it doesn't really, you're actually potentially getting less riders because it's only for people who are traveling alone. You're not gonna get big groups. Right now, big groups can book a ride. So with Uber Pool and Lyft Shared, you're basically only getting 2 riders maximum, and you could potentially be getting more money because you're taking more people on the same route to the destination. So I actually don't think this is a bad thing, but I know a lot of drivers are upset because it's kind of transitioning back into regular Uber Pool and Lyft Shared possibly. So anyways, let me know your thoughts on that one. Work Solo, link below. Big thank you to them. The average solo driver makes $5,000 more per year. Just, drivers who use Solo. Obviously, this guaranteed pay feature is contributing a ton, and their tax help. It's basically the best business app for gig workers. So check out the link below. They do have a free version. You can just try it out with our link. And again, they're gonna be sending you $15 just for signing up and typing in your Venmo or PayPal. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.